To keep up with the latest content I release, please make sure you're following my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all using the same name, iAmHaks. Enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Kurd Talks 10. Now, I know it's been a long time since my last video. Sorry, it's been so busy. Personal life and even stuff that's happening in Kurdistan. My focus has been on highlighting the issues with the earthquake in Bakuri, Kurdistan, in the north of Kurdistan, and also with what happened in Rojhalati, Kurdistan, in eastern Kurdistan, where the death of Gina Amini started an uprising within the Kurdish people against the Iranian regime. So my focus has been there. More recently, something happened in Kurdistan. There was a football match between Amedspor and Bursaspor. Amedspor is a team from Amed, which is also known as Diyarbakir. It's a Kurdish team. And there is a team called Bursaspor from Bursa, which is in Turkey, a Turkish team. Now, Amedspor was traveling to Bursa for a football match. Prior to the match, their hotel was attacked by Turkish mobs. Amedspor fans were attacked outside the stadium. During the game, the players were attacked by the fans. Fans were throwing bottles, they were throwing knives. This was happening and they chased them onto the pitch. To show my support for the Amedspor team and the Amedspor fans and the Kurdish people in Bakuri, Kurdistan in general, I am wearing the Amedspor t-shirt today during Kurd Talks 10. I really hope you all enjoy it. And please remember to share, like, and comment on this video. Hello.
Ahmet,
Amedspor, yes.
orası bir çocuğu.
Bizdeki her gelen kız güzel. O ne forması lan?
Ahmet oğlum.
Sorry?
Amına o zaman senin.
Hey, what?
Amedspor.
Amedspor, yes.
Ananı sikeyim.
Hey,
Kapatırsın ya. Bana buldum ol gene de.
Orası Kürdistan. Ananı sikeyim seni.
are you Turkish? What? What was that?
Turkish. Ben Turkish.
Okay, ben Kurdish.
Ananın amı.
Ha,
Ariana Perde.
Ariana Perde, Amedspor.
Orospu çocuğu.
Ha?
Ha?
Orospu çocuğu who? Amedspor?
Amedspor ya.
Why? Hi, do you speak Kurdish?
No Kurdish. Where are you
Oh,
from?
I'm Kurdish.
No.
I'm Kurdish.
Ah, okay. You.
Why?
What? Why?
Why
Fuck
would you
you.
say?
Okay.
What is this tattoo on your face? What is this? What is this on your face? What is this?
Huh.
Why are you against Kurdish people?
Yeah, my gangster. Bitch.
Hey, bro.
Hey bro,
How are
what's
you?
up bro? I'm
Where you
fine,
from?
and you, my from?
Where you from?
I'm from Turkey.
Turkey.
Yes.
Can you help? Can you help me? I live in London. Can you help me translate something Turkish to English?
Okay.
Yaşasın bağımsız, birleşik, demokratik Kürdistan.
Reis.
Yılmaz Günay. He's good.
Yılmaz'ın sesi miydi lan o?
Yılmaz
Erdoğan'ın
Günay.
değil mi o? Yılmaz
Yılma-
Güney orospu çocuğu kanka. Sen de Türkiye benziyorsun zaten. Tipe bak. PKK'lısın muhtemelen. Ülkeden
What?
men edilmişsin amına
No,
koyayım.
look,
Fransa'ya gitmişsin.
look. Yılmaz Günay, look.
Yaşasın bağımsız, birleşik, demokratik Kürdistan.
Kürcistan oğlum, adam Kürcistan falan yazmış yukarıya amına koyayım. Anladın mı? Ne bakıyorsun oğlum?
Beş. Sava.
Music.
Ya. Attendez. 1 minute bro.
Bella. Kurdistan ne bella. Ne
Harbi
bella. Kurdistan ne bella. Kurdistan bella. La. Atıcı. Hitler.
Hadi. Amını siktimin oğlu. Kürdistan'da ananı da sikeyim. Amına koyduğumun çocuğu. Lan sen ne orospu çocuğu adamlarsınız lan siz. Ananızı sikeyim. Bu Kürdistan'ı kurmak isteyenin avradını sikeyim. Onun var ya onun. Anasını sikmeyeyim anasını. Anasını sikmeyeyim var ya. Orospu çocuğusunuz var ya. Tam bir namert kahpe çocuğusunuz. Kahpe evladısınız. Bu kadar diyorum. Fransa'dasın. Seni Fransa'da sikeyim. Ver adresini Fransa'ya geleyim. Amına kodum. Bak Kürdistan yapıyor, her bir şey yapıyor. Senin ananı sikeyim ananı. Lan ne adamsın ya?
Basa bir elma yesin. Kürdistan'ını da sikeyim. Senin ananı sikeyim. Orospu çocuğu ananı da sikerim seni.
Oh, like, come on.
Bu ne lan? Dur Allah aşkına. Ananın amı
Kürdistan.
Azat Yılmaz.
O Kürdistan'ı anlamanın amına son. Hayleri Kürdistan olanın sonu mezardır.
Şunu siyah ekran yapınca lan. Aman ağladığını. Get lan şuradan. Gerizekalı. Kürdistan diye bir yer yok lan.
Her bici Kurd. Her bici Kurdistan.
Kürdistan.
Apo.
Kürdistan diye bir yer yok. Kürdistan.
Kürt.
Kurd, yes.
Terörist.
Hey, whoa. Why? Why?
Amedspor.
Amedspor, Kurdish team, football. Not terrorist.
Teröristim.
Sport,
Yes,
sport,
terörist.
football.
Terörist.
Ronaldo, Messi.
Bursaspor. Spor. Ha. Bursa.
Racist.
Ha, Bursa. Anladım.
Fascist.
Ha, faşist. Orospu çocuk.
No, look.
O ne lan? Senin ölmüşlerini sikeyim ben. Ölmüşlerini.
Hi, bro.
Hi bro.
Do you speak English?
Yeah, of course.
Nice. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Ah, nice. You're German?
Yeah, half German.
Half German, half...
Turkish.
Oh, cool.
We as Turkish people, we don't like the Kurdish country stuff. Like, you know, we are okay with the Kurdish people, but we don't like to we don't accept that there's Kurdistan. There's non. God damn. Bro, I don't even know actually if there's a place like named Kurdistan or they just wanna separate our country. You know, like.
No, they. Let me tell you. Let's put the jokes aside. We don't want to separate your country. You separated our country to start with. That's the problem. So we're just trying to reverse that. We're not trying to take anyone's land or take what's not ours. We just want our own control and our own land and live like neighbors with Turkey. It's fine. But
Yeah, I know.
But they try to make us look like terrorists and bad people. But no, if this was your home for thousands of years and then suddenly the Turks, they take it and call it Turkey and say you must speak Turkish and Nemutlu Turkum diyene and all this stuff. The Kurds were there first. They were always there. And then when the Turks came, they lived side by side with us. We didn't have a problem with them because we controlled our own areas. Even in Ottoman Empire, Kurdistan was there. So we were always big. We had empires. Before any Turk or any Ottoman Empire, we had Kurdish empires in this area. Imagine. So then many years later, they come and then they say we must change the language. We must, you know, what would you do as a Kurd in this situation? You will say no. We have lived here for thousands of years.
I know. You like them as people can be right as well. You know, you never know. You know, like that's very actually important to listen from a Kurdish man or Kurdish people what
Exactly.
they think, or what they happen to them. Like, you know.
Yeah, bro. Look, no Kurd in this world wants to kill anybody. We, in all our lives, in all the wars we have been in, it's always been a defensive war, always been protection, always, we've never attacked somebody, you know. It's so when the Turks suddenly broke that, they betrayed us and made imagine our people. When Turkey was created, there's Kurds in Turkey, Kurds in Syria, Kurds in Iraq, Kurds in Iran. One day they put a fence, they said this is Turkey, this is Syria, you can't visit each other, you are stuck. And you have 10 minutes every year to go to the gate and say hello to your family. And sometimes, imagine this, sometimes, imagine you are now in Turkey and Syria. You both only speak Kurdish and you are at the gate one time a year, 10 minutes to speak to your family. And then the soldiers in the Arab side say you must speak Arabic. And the soldiers in the Turkish side say you must speak Turkish. You and your cousin only speak Kurdish. So you're standing there, and if you try to speak Kurdish, they will hit you. This is what the history, and this is why when we try to fight back, they call us terrorists. But what shall we do? Like, tell me,
bro. I really thank you a lot. Like, I didn't know that side of this, like these stories and this stuff from like Kurdistan and this stuff. Like,
I'm happy. I'm really. I could spend hours talking to you, bro. Because even if I change the mind of one Turk to think a bit more positive, to not look at us like terrorists, it could save the life. It could save someone's life. Because you don't understand how many people I see on here, and they're like, I will kill a Kurd. I will kill. Like, I'm like, why? Like, somebody's life will die because of the way you are thinking.
I didn't know that, you know, and it just opened something else in my mind, like a different view, like, you know.
Yeah, bro.
And that's actually pretty, like, I'm really thankful, man. That was good. That was great.
No problem,
Thank
bro.
you.
Huh? Okay. Come. Dey bako dey.
Ya Kürdistan'da ananı sikeyim senin ananı. Kürdistan diye bir yer olduğuna inanıyor musun sen ya?
I don't have to say anything. I don't have to say anything.
Soyunuzu kuruttuğumuzda biz de böyle gülüyorduk amına koyayım.
I say nothing.
What are writes your shirts?
This is an Amedspor t-shirt.
Amedspor. You're Kurdish? Kurdistan?
Kurdistan, yes.
Off.
What?
Off.
Why?
Not Kurdistan.
You speak English?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Yeah. I'm from Turkey. You?
I'm from Kurdistan.
Kurdistan? Bro, no. You don't have country. You don't have country. No Kürdistan. Yok.
Başe Kurdistan.
Herbici Kurdu Kurdistan. Çavay. Başım spas. Çitki bra.
Sağ olasın. Eski başım.
Kalki kuderi.
Nerelisin ya?
Ahmet.
Kalki Ahmedi. Herbici. Sereymen. Basta. Okay. Sereymen. Gele keyf خوش بوم.
Serçava.
Serseremin.
برا تدخوازی نشان بی لفيديوی ما.
Diyor ki videolarını izliyor musun?
Ere. Zanım. Kuçi. Cisni kuçka. Pırheye.
از دزانم بس تدخوازی لفيديو من بی نشاندم. ایتا.
Diyor ki video paylaşabilir miyim diyor.
Ey başa.
Ere.
Sereymen برامن. Herbici.
Serçava.
Hatırı ver.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Why not?
Senin anayın amına
Yeah.
ayağımı sokayım. Amına kodumu çocuğu.
Yeah, so
Şoför burada.
yeah.
Ana git öksüzdü. Anasını siktik ha gitin. Anasını siktik.
Sizi Kürdistan'a gömeceğiz oğlum. Kürdistan'a.
Olmayan yere gömeceğiz lan sizi. Amına koduklarım. 23'ü de kazanan sizin ananızı
Yeah,
sikeyim.
just some guys going really crazy for no reason.
Amına koyayım lan.
I don't know why.
AK Parti lan.
I don't know.
Oo geldik
He's
ananızı
doing a
siktik. Daha
donkey
da
shape with his hand. I don't know. Some type of weird, strange people. Yeah, now he's angry. I haven't done anything. I've just been on the phone the whole time. You should see them right now. Wow. He's just very angry.
Amına koyayım Amedspor.
What? Why are you swearing?
Because I love swearing, bro. You Amedspor, bro.
What's wrong with you?
I don't, bro.
I know what's gonna happen. You're gonna see. I knew it. That's what I was gonna say. You're gonna skip me because you don't have a brain to have a conversation with.
Amedspor.
Yes.
Nasıl koyduk size bu hafta?
Kurdistan, this
Do
is
it.
Kurdistan. No bayrak, no devlet. What are you fuck? Amına koy.
How are you?
Bir şey. Dur Ahmet forması değil mi lan o?
Ha?
Amedspor forması mı?
Amedspor, yes.
Ya ananı sikerim senin bak. Orası bu çocuğu PKK.
Whoa. What? Why?
PKK, HDP.
There's so many racist people on this app.
No English.
Okay, I can't even let my anger out. I want someone to listen to me. I am being racially abused.
En iyi Kürt, ölü Kürt nasıl denir la beyler? Ha?
Öcalan, Demirtaş.
Okay, why did you say that?
Kürdistan.
What did I do?
Kürdistan.
What have I done? Why are you saying Kurdistan for?
Amedspor.
Why?
Because I want.
Why? What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
Kurdish girls.
What is wrong with you, man? I hope you're enjoying the video. I just wanted to quickly remind you that my clothing brand Kurdum is available at www.kurdum.shop. And if you want a discount of 10%, make sure you use the code KurdTalks10. The
Nerelisin sen lan?
Turk yani Kurd.
Kürt, Türk.
از نخوازن ناوی ولاتی ما بیجم بس ته کرد پروری
آره
اگر ناوی ولاتی ما بیجم عجز دبه
Ne diyor lan bana mı laf?
Ha, yok söyleyeyim.
تحس که از نشانی او بدم ناوی ولاتی ما ناوی چیه
آره
Kürdistan ha?
بنانا كان عاجزة وي بنانا كان عاجزة أفالي تقلك عاجزة
Aynen var ya.
Ne diyor lan buna? Ne diyor?
Hold on.
Okay. Kurdistan. I am Wikipedia, okay, you know?
Yeah, Wikipedia. Kurdistan.
I am Wikipedia.
Yeah.
I don't know Kurdistan.
Wikipedia. Kurdistan. Yes.
Bro, that's old, bro. That's old.
No, wait. Wikipedia, Kurdistan. Look.
No, bro. No. Wikipedia said lie, okay?
Oh, now Wikipedia is a lie, but you said you want Wikipedia.
You.
Hey, what?
Kurdistan, tu Kurdistan.
Gene mi sen amına kodumu Kürdü?
What?
Amına kodumu Kürdü.
You're swearing at Kurdish people, yeah?
Yes.
Hey, bro. Speak English?
No, I cannot speak English because I'm a fucking retarded Turkish people. So that's why I cannot speak English.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Kurdish, by the way.
O zaman
Sorry?
PKK'lı mısın peki?
I don't speak any Turkish. I speak Kurdish or English.
Okay. I'm just saying that are you believing the Kurdistan?
Oh, yes.
You're fucking believing.
Yeah, I'm believing Kurdistan.
So basically you're a fucking terrorist.
Are you believing in Turkey?
Yeah, I'm living in Turkey.
You believe in Turkey?
Yeah, because it's real. But the Kurdistan isn't real.
But weird, because Turkey is 100 years old. Kurdistan is thousands of years old, so it's strange.
Shut the up and eat my fucking Kurdish. Aptal orospu çocuğu.
Bu ne Amedspor'la terörist seni. Bu ne amına koyayım.
No.
No. Amedspor'la Fransa'da bile tam Kürt amına koyayım. Teröristler oraya iltica yapıp gider. Sen kollarına jilet takıp rakip takımı jetlersin amına koyayım.
Okay. Do you speak English?
I know English. Yeah.
Then speak English. What's the problem?
I just problem you are terrorist.
No, I'm Kurdish.
Yeah, it's Kurdish, but Amedspor, I see.
Memleketi zor. Where are you from?
Diyarbakir.
Yes.
Ben sikeceğim Kürdistan'ını şimdi ya.
Kürdistan
diye bir yer var.
Yeah, I'm racist. Kurdish, Suri people.
Kurdish people,
Yeah.
Suri people.
Yeah.
What did they do wrong to you? Really? What the hell did they do wrong to you? How can you be racist to them? I don't hate Turkish people, I don't hate Syrian people, I don't hate anyone. But I am from Kurdistan.
You're watching Amedspor match?
Yes.
Only take the knife and shooting. Yeah, I watch. You know.
Bursaspor, they throw knife.
Yeah, you know. I know.
You are happy this happened.
Just happened.
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
You want Kurdish people to die? Do you speak Kurdish?
No,
Oh, I speak Kurdish.
I hate Kurdish people.
Why would you? What? Why? I'm Kurdish.
I love Esat Oktay. Do you know Esat Oktay?
Yes.
Yes, I love Esat Oktay.
And why do you hate Kurdish people?
He has killed Kurdish people.
Right. And you love
Yeah.
him. What's wrong with you?
Because we're Turkish. Kurdish people want to just have a Turkish. Kürt insanlar Türkiye'yi ele geçirmeye çalışıyorlar.
Kurdish people are trying to take over Turkey, so we don't like them.
Kendi ülkeleri olmadığı için Türkiye'yi kendi ülkeleri yapmak istiyorlar.
Because they don't have their own country, they're trying to make our country their country.
I'm Kurdish.
Yeah.
So you hate me.
Yeah.
So you hate Ahmed Kaya?
Yeah. Yeah.
If she sees a Kurdish person, does she act different?
Nasıl yani? Ya böyle şey diyor, böyle günlük hayatında böyle bir Kürt görürsen böyle ona farklı mı davranıyorsun? Ona daha mı kötü davranıyorsun?
Kürt insanlarla muhatap olmuyorum.
She doesn't speak with Kurdish people. She doesn't like them.
Hani benim anlatmak istediğim şey şu. Kürt insanlar hani en azından bizim Türkiye sınırları içerisinde olanlar Türk halkına zarar veriyorlar. Elbette iyi Kürtler de vardır. Fakat bunların %90'ı, %80'i genel olarak kötü olduğu için ben de genelleme yaparak direkt nefret ediyorum.
She says there are bound to be good people that are Kurds, but she doesn't like them because they're harming Turkish people. So she says that like 80 or 90% of Kurdish people are bad, so she's just generalizing.
80 to 90% of Kurdish people are bad, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
In Turkish.
Do you know? Okay, you seem like you're acting like you know a lot of information and education or whatever.
Bu adamın bilgili olduğu kesin.
Do you
Bak,
know?
Kürt.
Do you know that? Okay, who was there first?
İlk kim oradaydı?
Nasıl yani?
Yani Türk topraklarında ilk kim vardı?
Bilmiyorum.
She doesn't know.
Kanka ilk şey yok muydu? Başkaları Kürt olmadı.
So why does she think the Kurds are trying to take Turkish land if she doesn't know who was there first?
Çünkü Recep Tayyip Erdoğan başımızda var ve ülkenin her sikim yapabilecek durumdalar.
Who was there first in this land, Turk or Kurd?
Turk.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How sure are you?
Ne kadar eminsin
O nasıl
falan
emin?
diyor. How are you sure?
If I told you it's a fact that the Kurds have lived in Anatolia, in this region, for thousands of years more than the Turks have, then does your point make sense anymore? You are Turkish, I'm not Turkish, but I know when Turkish people went to Anatolia. What year was it?
Ne zaman Türkler Anadolu'ya geldi kanka?
Kanka sen
Ya öyle diyor, öyle dedi.
bir şey
I
söyleyeceğim.
know. Why do I know Turkish history and you don't know Turkish history? I know.
Bak bir şey söyleyeyim mi sana? Bizim geçmişi konuşmamız o kadar saçma ki bizim şu anki duruma bakmamız lazım.
She says that it's pointless to talk about the past because we have to talk about the present. Sus.
Okay.
We have to talk about the present, and
Exactly.
the present is that Kurdish people are harming Turkish people. And
Okay,
betraying
okay.
country.
That's fine. But if in the past the Kurds were there for thousands of years, the Turks came, and then after the Turks took the Kurdish land, and then now the Kurds are in Turkey, but they want their old land back, is it not their right
No,
to
they
say...
don't have their own land back. It's
Yeah,
Turkey.
it's
Okay,
Turkey
okay,
now. It's Turkey
okay,
now.
can you calm down? Let me explain. So imagine you live in a house... Wait. Imagine you live in a house with your family, yes?
That's not the same thing. They
No,
fought for that land.
wait, hear me. Hear my question.
Dur bak şey diyor. Düşünsene
Hear
bir
my
evde
question.
yaşıyorsun. Sonra biri evini senden aldı. Sen de geri almaya çalışıyorsun. Aynı şey değil amına koyayım ya.
Abi kafayı yedim amına koyayım.
Hear my question. Here, listen. You gonna listen to me or no? Listen. If you live in a house with your family and I live with you, and I live with you, and I live with you, we are friends, family, everything. One day I say, no, this is my house. It's not your house anymore.
Çünkü ihanet ettiler.
Because Kurds betrayed Turkey.
No. Turks betrayed Kurds.
Nefes al.
Okay, help me understand. The Turks, they come, the Kurds and Turks, they live in one big land, Ottoman Empire, big land, no problem.
No, but Turkey fought for that land.
No. Turkey, no, wait. You're not letting me get there. Turkey didn't fight for this land. Kurds also fought for this land. Arabs also fought for this land. Hold on.
Döverim amına koyayım.
You know...
Çanakkale Savaşı and Atatürk didn't do anything.
Oh my God. My head hurts. I can't believe you don't know this. No, listen. Trust me. At the end of all of this, trust me. Listen. At the end of all of this, you will realize that you were the stupid one and you will regret it. I promise you. But listen to me. Before you make yourself look more like a fool, listen to me. And then Ataturk comes and betrays the Kurds and creates Turkey and says one language, one flag, one this, but they are speaking Kurdish, they don't know Turkish.
Ne diyor? Diyor ki işte Kürtleri...
And then now, wait.
Söyle. She says that she's gonna
Hayır.
Okay.
Söyle çevir. Atatürk gelmiş demiş Kürtlere ihanet etmiş. Sonra demiş ki işte Türkler daha iyi, Kürtler daha kötü. İşte yapmış. Öyle. Onu diyor.
Because, and now tell her, Dersim, Ataturk killed thousands and thousands of Kurdish people in Dersim. Yes, it's true. So what? It's not true? It's a fact. It's a fact. It's not an opinion. This is a fact.
You killed thousands of people too at war.
I killed thousands.
You don't like Atatürk, right?
No, of course not. He's a terrorist. Atatürk is a terrorist.
Çünkü o Kürtleri kovdu ve Türklere doğru düzgün bir hayat yaşatmak istedi. Söyle. You hate him because he kicked the Kurds out and gave Turks a decent life.
Yeah.
Çünkü Türklerin bir...
Of course. We live...
You look like a pineapple. Shut the f*** up.
Oh.
Atatürk hater amına koyayım ya.
Atatürk is a terrorist, one of the biggest terrorists ever, and it's.
Dünyadaki en büyük teröristler Kürtler ve o Ahmet Kaya'dır. Söyle. The biggest terrorists in the world are Kurds and Ahmet Kaya.
The biggest terrorists in the world are Kurds.
Ahmet Kaya.
Why is Apo a terrorist? I want to know why. Tell me. Okay, no, tell me.
PKK. Do you know PKK?
Okay, why is PKK terrorist? Why? Tell me. Tell me. Use your brain. Just talk. Don't keep going crazy. Talk. What did they do?
Terrorist organization.
What did they do to be a terrorist organization?
Her mom is a soldier, and
Okay.
you're fucking wrong, and I hope you.
Hold on. Why are they terrorists? What did they do to become terrorists?
Terörist zaten PKK terörist amına koyayım. Terörist PKK terörist.
Okay, Atatürk terrorist. Atatürk Erdogan terrorist. What? Erdogan is a...
Hold on, shut up. Listen to me.
Okay.
Now.
I'm calm because I know. I don't need to say anything. You've done it all. Guys, this is racism. This is how the racism works. Look how young they are. Let me ask my question. Atatürk killed thousands of people in Dersim. Why is he not a terrorist?
Because he had to do what he had to do. Because Kurds were uprising. They were protesting. So he did what he had to do. But PKK doesn't do that. PKK just kills innocent people.
So these Kurdish people who are uprising because they didn't want to be part of a Turkey suddenly, they are allowed to die. So you can kill innocent people in Dersim because they are uprising, but that's okay?
They should have just been happy in Turkey and
because Turkey, the idea of Turkey is only 100 years old. It's new. Suddenly you tell people Turkey is only 100 years. They're thinking this way. Imagine that's the youth of the country that's already growing up. That's going to probably be, well, I don't know, with these people's IQ, I don't know. But with this country, it's possible. They're going to be in some important positions, in some type of job, and Kurds are going to be continuously mistreated. This is a deep-lying racism problem. This is why I keep making these videos. People need to see. Do you not see what's going on? They act this way when I even speak just Kurmanji. They act this way when I say I am Kurdish. Is this not a problem? And this is why I see no future for Kurds in the country of Turkey. They must separate. They must stand against this state which is killing them day by day, killing their culture, killing their history, killing everything to do with Kurdishness about them. It's all going. And this is why I have to raise my voice. And I hope you can all share this. I hope you can all spread this message. I'm lucky to have this platform. I'm lucky to have you guys watching this. So share this. Make sure they share this. Make sure everybody sees this. Because we will not allow our generation to stay quiet while they do this to our people in Kurdistan. So let's stand for our people. Her biji Kurd or her biji Kurdistan.